Friendly technology quickly creates stunning professional logos for any business in just 3 clicks. LogoBuilder removes all hassles and enables you to succeed without spending monthly on money-sucking freelancers. Save your valuable time and money by kicking out expensive freelancers forever. 100% cloud-based, newbie-friendly technology, beginner-friendly, step-by-step training and videos. Here's how it works. Step 1. To begin, just choose from a list of ready-to-use logo templates as per your niche. Step number 2. Now go ahead and edit the selected logo in a few clicks. Change the text, add image, insert image/favicon, etc., and you're on the right track. Step number 3. Great, your logo is ready to rock now. Now download and use it to boost your brand building efforts in the long run. LogoBuilder is making life easier for thousands of people globally every single day. The possibilities to profit with LogoBuilder are totally endless. When you act now, you also get 5 custom money-making bonuses worth thousands absolutely free. You can see the details below. We're totally removing all the risk and also a 30-day money-back guarantee. So hurry, act fast because the price goes up every 60 minutes. If you wait, you'll pay more. You can check out all the details below. Click the Buy Now button right now to lock in your discount and get instant access to LogoBuilder at an amazing one-time price. We'll see you on the inside. Hey, this is something you've never seen before. Have you tried to spend a lot of time making logos and spend too much money on logo making? Almost time you stuck? Attention, never pay huge money for getting logos for your brand. Imagine if you get everything in just one software without paying any monthly recurring fees. The best thing is you can save thousands of dollars, plus you can start selling services as well. Well, imagine no longer, because we've made it possible. Yes, loved by millions of entrepreneurs, business owners, and everyone. Hey, I'm Rudy Rudra, the top internet marketer, and I came with solid software that helps you create stunning professional logos for any business in just 3 clicks. 100% newbie friendly, zero tech or marketing skills needed, no monthly fees. Introducing LogoBuilder. Brand new 100% user-friendly technology quickly creates stunning professional logos for any business in just 3 clicks. LogoBuilder removes all hassles and enables you to succeed without spending monthly on money-sucking freelancers. Save your valuable time and money by kicking out expensive freelancers forever. 100% cloud-based, newbie-friendly technology, beginner-friendly, step-by-step training and videos. Here's how it works. Step 1. To begin, just choose from a list of ready-to-use logo templates as per your niche. Step number 2. Now go ahead and edit the selected logo in a few clicks. Change the text, add image, insert image / favicon, etc., and you're on the right track. Step number 3. Great, your logo is ready to rock now. Now download and use it to boost your brand building efforts in the long run. LogoBuilder is making life easier for thousands of people globally every single day. The possibilities to profit with LogoBuilder are totally endless. When you act now, you also get 5 custom money-making bonuses worth thousands absolutely free. You can see the details below. We're totally removing all the risk and also a 30-day money-back guarantee. So hurry, act fast because the price goes up every 60 minutes. If you wait, you'll pay more. You can check out all the details below. Click the Buy Now button right now to lock in your discount and get instant access to LogoBuilder at an amazing